What's up everyone? Today we are taking a look at Hitcase's Crio. So this is, I believe, their cheapest case that you can get, and honestly probably one of the most exciting ones I was looking forward to, because I know obviously the shockproof ones are amazing and have so many features, but I love how sleek this one is. As it says, slim, sleek, stylish, and it can still have all the benefits of a Hitcase, which is super durable, be able to use the camera mounts and all that. So I like how when you first open it, it's got a little case there and a little bit of a feel if you do want to feel it. Now it's got soft microfiber, which is good for the phone on the inside, soft touch, a smooth, reassuring feeling, 2-meter drop protection. Now that's something I can get used to, and that they're actually verifying that you will get 2 meters, which is awesome. And the magnetic true lux lenses. So I do have those lenses, which I will go through in another video, but these things, and essentially what these things do is, so they say, is you take these out and they magnetically attach on to the part of the case and they just clip. So I've actually used, those cheap eBay ones that you sort of try clip on with a little peg, and you just can't get it right. There's always a little black line covering it, or it's blurry or something like that. So it's good to have this magnet here that will basically solve that. And these lenses come in super wide, wide, macro, and oh, I've got 2 wide. Didn't realize that. But essentially, because on iPhone video, it makes it smaller, the frame of view. So when you have a super wide and a wide lens, it would actually make things super convenient if you are looking for a wider angle, which iPhone video just doesn't do. So super keen to test that out. It says drop proof, capture and mount. That's basically the features that it has. You can also mount it to the link and car and wall mounts. So it's got the magnetic part inside it. So any of those magnetic chargers or holders of phones and cradles, you just go dunk and it'll work. So let's get straight into it. Here is the bottom. Designed in Canada. Cool. Okay, there we go. And then let's bring it out. And there it is. All right, okay, so they were right. It does have a very soft feeling in their TPU. I'm just gonna bend it a bit. Oh, I don't want to peel that out. There's your magnet that they talk about. It actually feels really sturdy. I don't disagree that it would be 2 meters drop proof, but it's just your screen would be the only issue, depending on how it lands, where it lands. If it goes flat on the screen, that's gonna crack, especially if you haven't got a screen protector. And here is the part that the lenses apparently hook onto. So it feels really good, and it actually does feel quite sleek, quite similar to all those other cases you see that say, oh, super sleek, super skinny, 1 millimeter, etc. This is, for what you're getting, saying that it's going to withstand 2-meter drops with the magnet included, so you don't have to stick that magnet onto the back of your phone and then never be able to get it off ever in your life. So let's see if it comes with anything else in here. Oh, Crio, inspire, creation. Yep, okay. So there's your car mount to be able to stick it on. Oh, it's actually a link mount. So that part at the bottom will attach onto, GoPro attachments, and then that magnetic part will be able to stick the case because it's got the magnet there. And then the lenses magnetically snap into place. That is awesome. That is actually so cool. So I'll be keen to test it out. Oh, link plate removal. So you can remove the link plate. Removable link plate for wireless charging. Okay. Wall plus vent mount. Yeah, so the plate, yeah, as you can see, it's starting to tilt out a bit. But I'm just going to keep it in for now because I do use that. But yeah, I'm super keen to chuck this on. This is for iPhone X, but you can get it for all the other newer phones. But overall, it seems pretty durable, by the feel of it, quite sturdy and slim and sleek as well. Done well.